Homework 16, question number 14. Two samples are taken with the following sample means, size, standard deviation. X1 bar is 40, X2 bar is 28, N1 is 57, N2 is 74, S1 is 5, S2 is 2. Find a 95% confidence interval. Round the answer to the nearest hundredth. So in this case, you will notice that we're comparing or finding the confidence interval for difference of means, which means when you go to the calculator in the resources, the test that you should be choosing is the t-estimate t-test difference of means, this one right here. And you're going to go to the second section where it says confidence interval calculator. So I'm going to go to the question and try to fill in the information. I have x1 is 40, x1 bar is 40, x2 bar is 28. So x1 bar is 40, x2 bar is 28. And then I would need the sample standard deviation and the sample size. So the first sample size is 57 and the second one is 74. N1 is 57. And N2 74. The sample standard deviation is 5. The second sample standard deviation is 2. So 5 and 2. S1 is 5, S2 is 2. And the confidence level that we need here is 95%. So we're going to plug that 95% and we're going to compute the confidence interval and the margin of error, as you can see here. So as you can see, the level of the confidence interval, the lower bound is 10.6. So we're going to say here, this number is 10.6. And it says to the nearest hundredth, so 2 decimals. And that is basically it. And the upper bound is 13.40. Rounded to 2 decimals, so it's going to be 13.40. And then you're going to submit your question, and that is how you can answer question number 14 and similar questions that ask you to find a confidence interval for the difference of means. So that is the calculator you will be using for that. Please do not do any of these processes by hand using Excel and the formulas. The process is going to take forever to compute all of these values. So please use the calculator attached to your homework to answer these questions.